jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Blaize, and welcome back to my series of affordable holiday gift sets. For this video, I got this from Walmart for I think $5, I believe. It was like $5. This is the Cherry Tree 5 Matte Nude Liquid Lipstick Set. I've been wanting to try some Cherry Tree lippies. I've heard of them and seen them in the past, but I just never picked them up. So they had a whole other set. I forget what it was called. They had like different colors, but I, as you guys know, love my nudes. So we are going to lip swatch these beautiful nudes right here. So it comes with a pack of 5. So you're basically getting each one for $1, which is cool. I love the packaging. I love the font and the goldness of it. So these are the shades that come in there. I will say it is not very dramatic in change for these nudes. Like these two look almost exactly the same. These two look very similar. So, but we're gonna see how they perform. And yes, I put in my inner Marina and the Diamonds heart right here because I've been listening to Marina and the Diamonds for days now, like, well, years now, but been binging on it for a couple days, and I wanted to bring in my inner Marina. So like I said, you can get this at Walmart. I purchased it off walmart.com. They probably have it in stores. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, I believe it was either $5, $6, or $7. It was no more than $7. So let's go ahead and swatch these on my lips and see how they are. Again, no names for any of them, which really pisses me off. You guys know that it just bothers me when they don't give, especially lip products, names. What's so hard? Why? Anyway, enough complaining. Let's get these on our lipperoos. Okay, so I switched and I went back to my favorite red lip gloss. This is from LA Colors in their lip wardrobe. I think this was number 4, not sure, but my favorite red lip gloss. But those were all the swatches of the Cherry Tree Nude Liquid Lipsticks. Don't buy these. The formula is almost non-existent. if you guys watched, I had to dip back so many times to get any kind of opacity in any product on my lips, period. I had to go over it like 3 times to get full opacity. The colors were all pretty much the same. There really wasn't much of a dramatic difference. So I don't like the formula. I don't like the colors because the formula sucks so bad. I mean, if the formula was a little better, maybe I'd like them a little bit better. But I'm going to give these to Wicked Little Devils. I really did not enjoy these, and I'm going to say no, it is not worth the $5 or $6 or $7 that I paid for this. And I'm probably going to donate these or give them to a friend, something like that, because I don't like them, sadly, and that makes me sad. That was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, make sure, and you want more of these videos, make sure to give me a big old thumbs up to let me know, and don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. And I have three massive giveaways going on this month. I have at least one a month. This month I'm giving away 3 different things, 3 different giveaways that are massive, so I will link them up in the cards and down in the description box as always. Here are all my social medias. Please go ahead and feel free to follow me on my social medias and be social with me on medias. All right, I'll talk to you guys very soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.